Hello everyone. I am an artificial intelligence teacher, Brett. Let's take a look at what is possible with the meeting of an artificial intelligence teacher and an educational application. Please press the menu button on the top side that you want. How's your feeling today? Moneybrain.
Good.
I can tell that you are happy just by listening to your voice. Please say teacher.
Teacher,
What would you like to ask?
I want to know about mathematics.
Mathematics is a kind of natural science that deals with concepts such as quantity, space, and structure, which is the foundation of other studies and is important enough to spend the most time in school along with Korean and English. Moneybrain's overall learning performance is 85%. Let's try to earn 100% next month. You've got 62% progress in math and 87% correct answers. Concentration rate is 92%, showing very high concentration. Praise you.